Hey, man. Matthew.
He used to be very popular and influential comedian.
Hey, man. Hey, Matt. Matt. Matthew. Come on. Hey, man, wake up.
Who would you be and what would you do? Or hypothetically,
Hey.
so funny.
Wow, this is
But nobody ever thought of it.